Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and delete character in PolyBuzz AI. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PolyBuzz AI application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete character in PolyBuzz AI. So first of all, what you need to do, when you're on the home screen, go to the bottom where we have the home, chats, the character creation, which of course you need to do first to be able to have a character. So I highly recommend you doing this. And we have a separate video on our YouTube channel where you can of course check this out. And also in the bottom right corner, we have your profile. And there, when you scroll down, as you can see, we have characters, gallery, and collection. You need to go and click on here, and we have, as you can see, a character. On the right side, we have the three dots, where of course we have edit, where you can edit the character, or we have the delete button. Delete this character, irreversible after deletion, so it cannot be reversed. If you delete the character will be immediately deleted. Click on delete button if you're sure, and as you can see, in the character section, we do not have a character anymore. So that's how you can actually go and delete a character in PolyBuzz AI. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.